The reason I speak, this is my story. This is what I'm in. I'm being treated as an animal. Why? We do not want war. The Britain has already tell us from the Northerners and some Southerners that we cannot rule the country. Someone have already been telling you guys, let's go as a people and stay. You say no, we cannot divide. We agreed. Okay, give us a brother, an Igbo man. Let us test this power, even if it's for once. The same Britain man saw the person that we nominated as Igbos and hold him. That someone has been using. I don't even care to know about this though, because they have always been lying for us. Please, Africans, the Igbo race is not happy. Yes. Now Oji Ofo they talk. The Igbo race is no more happy. We know that we are being treated as slaves. My ancestors, 75 of us, sacrificed ourselves on the sea, just not to be slaves. But now we are still slaves in our own land. We need to decolonize our minds. The Igbo race need to understand that this place is the heaven. There is no other heaven. We have to fix this place. Not by fighting, not by quarreling, but first, from the traditional point of view, let us go back the way our ancestors served God. At least just to live long life. If they don't want to build road, if they want to give us light, at least let's live long. Let's avoid some certain rules, some certain do's and don'ts, some certain regulations. Iwu ala, nto ala, omenala, nso ala, o depend. Kwere ha niile iwu ka ika godu nka. Maka onye dị ndụ ga-ahụ echi. Ka ndụ dịgodu ndụ wisi. Let's live long. I greet everybody from everywhere you're looking. My Arab friends, my European friends, the good ones. There are many good ones there. My Indian friends. I just want to speak in English the little I can, because a Britain man cannot speak Igbo the way I speak English. So manage me. We are in pens. Pray for us. Please, if you are my brother, an Igbo man, let us be traditionally conscious. These people that don't, who cannot treat you well, cannot teach you well. Ogadri Igbo la mma. Igbo mma mma no. Yagazia.